Vatsal Upadhyay and I am from St. Xavier's English High School, Thane. So, our India has been the number 5th rank in GDP rate. So, by our project, we can increase the GDP rate. Out of 100% cultivable land, only 51% of the land is under cultivation. So, by our project, we can increase the percentage of land and we can also be a superpower in the GDP rate. So, our project gets connected to smartphone devices via Bluetooth. So now it is getting connected. So there are 4 steps of farming. The first step is plowing. So for plowing, here we have attached a plow below or project. So whenever our project moves forward, the land below it gets plowed. Our next step is seed sowing. So for seed sowing, here we have used a seed sowing box which contains seeds and a motor over here. So whenever this motor is going to rotate, it will take in the seeds and then the seeds will fall through this funnel. Our next step is land leveling. So for land leveling, here we have used tail of the EcoBot. So whenever our EcoBot moves forward, the tail of the EcoBot gets the land leveled and planed. So as you can see over here, this land is plain. Our next step will be watering. So for watering, here we have used a water tank and inside is a water pump. So whenever the command button will be pressed, the water pump will take the water and then the plants will get watered. So there are some aims and objectives of our project. The aims is to bring advancement in farming by using today's technology. Objective is to make farming effortless, to increase the interest of youth in farming and to increase the productivity in farming. The advantages are it can perform 4 main tasks of farming simultaneously. Use of natural energy, that is solar energy. It can be controlled easily by smartphones. It increases productivity in farming. Thank you.